Hi, welcome to Chem 107. I am Ava Peterson and I took this course a couple semesters ago. It was very instrumental in helping me to succeed in my advanced chemistry courses. You will need Introductory Chemistry, 5th edition by Nivaldo de Tro, and you don't necessarily need the 6th edition of the laboratory manual because most of them are all the same. You only use the selected pages that your professor will give you on lab days. This course is very challenging. If you miss class, you will have to play catch up. Each day you will have to use study skills and go over all the material you learned that day and just constantly review. Tutoring is always available. There is tutoring at the Learning Resources Building, and if you go early to class, your professor will help you as well. This class teaches you the basic chemistry laws and equations. Keep up with the homework every day. It helps you with the quizzes and tests, and that's a good tool for studying. Even when you don't have homework assigned, it is good to look at the problems in your book and learn by yourself and teach yourself new ways to do the equations. These are the grades. There's always extra credit offered, and when it is offered, do it because it really gives your grade a boost if you miss out on the homework or quizzes. So extra credit is a great thing. If you miss 2 consecutive weeks of class or 1/3 of the class session hours, you will be withdrawn. Before you withdraw, which the date is November 10th, speak to your professor because there might be other options to help you succeed in the course. Don't cheat on the online in-class quizzes. Don't use other programs, and do not copy your lab partners or your peers' lab reports. Your cell phones may only be used for the Echo 360 activities, but no texting or calls because that really interrupts with your learning. If you have a special disability and you need an accommodation, you can contact Keith Castor and he will help you with any classroom accommodation you need. If you have any complaint about your professor or the school, first speak to your professor and see if you can get that situated. And if it's not figured out, you can talk to Professor David Gann. If you are pregnant or you have any other medical issue, you need to fill out a form for lab because it is for your safety. The course schedule is in the syllabus on Blackboard and as well as handouts, and you will have lab reports and quizzes and tests. For the online homework, go ahead and click on the tab and practice that. Press begin and have a scratched piece of paper ready so you can write down the equations. Make sure you save your answer or else it will be counted wrong. For lecture notes, go to course content and click on lectures or homework documents. And your professor will provide useful links and videos, and so if you need help and you don't quite understand, those are very beneficial. Every week you will have a quiz throughout the semester, and if you miss it, you cannot make it up, and your lowest quiz score will be replaced by the second lowest. My advice is just don't miss the labs, because you have a lab partner and they count on you as you are counting on them. So don't miss lab, because that is a big part in your grade for the entire course. There will be 4 exams throughout the semester, and if you miss one, you will have to have a documented emergency situation, and your final exam is comprehensive, so study, study, study all throughout the semester.